How to use the rapid response spiked drink test. For beverage testing, including alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, and water, you can find instructions on the instruction card, on the back of the pouch, and on the back of the test card. Scan the QR code to view illustrated instructions and a visual guide on your smartphone. The test card can be split into smaller test squares for a more discrete testing. Peel off one test sticker. Dip your finger in your drink. Then, blot it onto the test pad. Make sure you saturate the whole pad. Wait 1 minute. Do not read the results after 10 minutes. To read the results, first look at the test pad color, then find your drink's quadrant. The color chart is divided into 4 quadrants, one for each drink type: blue drinks, clear, brown, and yellow drinks, red drinks, and water. Match the pad color to the positive plus symbol or negative minus symbol side. If your test is negative, GHB could not be detected in your drink. If your test is positive, GHB was detected. Your drink may have been spiked. If the color pad appears green or blue before adding your drink, the test is invalid. Discard the test and repeat with a new test. Procedural errors or expired tests may affect the test results. This test is not intended to determine the purity, composition, or if the liquid being examined is safe to use. A positive or negative test result is not a guarantee that the liquid being tested is safe or unsafe to use. Any tested liquid is consumed or used at the consumer's own risk.